In this video, we'll discuss how to make STL files more manageable to work with in SketchUp. First, you need to have the SketchUp STL extension installed, and you get that at the SketchUp extension warehouse. Once you install it, click on File, Import, select the file, the STL file you want to import, but before clicking Import, click Options. And you want to make sure that these boxes are checked. By default, they aren't. Let me show you what the STL file will look like if you don't check those. It comes in as a mess of polygons that will be very difficult to work with. So let's try this again. File, Import, select it, Options, and now click those two boxes and say Accept, and then import it. Look at the difference. All the faces were merged, and now you have a file that you can easily work with just as if it were native SketchUp geometry.